saw the big horse. I like it. Are you holding a chicken, hon?
Very strong.
Okay.
So it's
Is he eating the corn? Cool. Oh.
Are you interested in little worms? Yeah, sure, they grow up. Where is the shovel? There were so many, I'm not.
It's so chicken.
Pick them up, let's go get them.
all right.
Well, you have to get the shovel.
Nathan, I don't know where we're going. I think we're going to dig worms.
Nathan. Carrying it around.
Our family is so kooky.
I love them.
I know.
They love corn.
We're going to dig some worms. Hey, babe. I've got to go to the meeting in about 30 minutes, so.
They're little worms, but there's so many of them.
I went to Waitbrook. That meeting was really good. A worm farm. Cindy suggested Skylar have a worm farm.
This is grasshopper.